The IE Summer School is a life-changing opportunity to prepare for university, advance your career, or explore new possibilities while spending an unforgettable summer in Spain. Whether you're a high school student or a university student, there's a program designed for you. For university students or recent graduates, the University Summer Program offers a chance to explore new areas of study or deepen skills that complement your academic and career goals. It is an opportunity to push boundaries, grow academically, and make meaningful connections. You can choose to participate in one of our 2-week programs exploring disciplines such as business, technology, sustainability, fashion, humanities, law, marketing, and global affairs. And for an even richer and more immersive experience, you can combine 2 or more programs to deepen your learning and broaden your perspective. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, the entrepreneurship program is your chance to turn business idea into reality. Over 4 intensive weeks, you'll refine your vision, develop your business plan, and collaborate with peers in one of the most vibrant cities in the world. The admissions process for the IE Summer School is streamlined and fully online. Simply submit your academic transcript, an updated CV, and complete a video online assessment. Once your application is complete, the admissions committee will review it and provide an answer within 2 weeks. With a rolling admissions process and limited spots, we recommend applying as soon as possible. Discover the world of IE University, connect with world-class faculty, and enjoy an inspiring summer in beautiful Spain.